What's up, guys? Today we're gonna talk about this Bybit hack for $1.4 billion. Okay, first we're gonna cover, I'm gonna tell you what I think about this, and then we're gonna look at Bitcoin monthly chart, weekly, and daily. We're gonna look at Ethereum BTC pair, that how it is bouncing from where I said that I am expecting a lot of support. Okay, and we're gonna talk about Ethereum dominance, the same thing, same deal. Ethereum dominance is almost same as Ethereum BTC pair. So we need to see that Ethereum is going up against BTC, okay? And we're gonna look at the support levels for total three, which covers altcoins in this chart. Ethereum and BTC is not included in this chart, okay? And we're gonna look at S&P 500. I haven't covered S&P 500 for a while, but this video is going to be very important. We're going to still touch on fear and greed index. And also we'll look at dominances and we're going to compare them against each other. And you guys see that how they are having correlation, a opposite correlation between BTC dominance and Ethereum dominance. So we need to see that Ethereum dominance is going higher for the altcoins to start pumping, right? So first, honestly, guys, when we look at these charts, and especially this one, I told you guys that every time we are going back down to orange area, we're going to have to consolidate, same as every time. We see the orange, that is the oversold territory. That is the fear territory. That means you guys, if you guys are smart, you have to do the opposite of majority of people doing, okay? Because every time they have to, bigger investors. I just gave this example to my members several days ago. I said that just imagine you are a whale and you are trying to manipulate market to get the cheapest prices for the coins, your favorite coins, right? And when everything is positive, everything is looking good for BTC, everybody starts talking about it. A lot of the good coins have been bought up. They are on millions and hundreds of millions or even billions of dollars in market cap. They are pumping and everything is good. But when bigger investors are trying to switch from BTC to altcoins, they have to do something about it. For you guys, for the weak hands, not you guys, the weak hands, to shake out and sell their cheapest coins to the whales so they can buy them at the cheapest prices. You guys are seeing the recent dumps for all the altcoins, almost everything. Whatever you have bought, you are in negative mostly, okay? Unless you have bought something very cheap and it has pumped already 20x and you're still in profit. Now I'm not talking about those, but majority of people are in loss for altcoins, okay? Well, not for Bitcoin. Bitcoin, if you bought it at the cheapest prices around this area, around here, even around here, you should be in profit right now, right? But honestly, I would not be surprised if this is part of the manipulation, because they are trying to bring down the market as much as they can so they can buy cheaper coins, okay? So that is why, if you guys know me, I have seen 3 different cycles, okay? I joined crypto when it was November or December 2017, when Bitcoin first hit $11,000 in history, okay? $11,000. So as a person who has seen many cycles and many bear markets and a lot of manipulations in the market, bad news like this, I am telling you that, guys, again, Bitcoin dominance, Ethereum dominance, all total 3, all of these are speaking to you, okay? You should not ignore. Every time you guys are being bearish, the next day everything starts pumping, you feel better. That shows that there is something wrong with your emotion. If you are just going, I mean, I understand, I'm the same person. I'm the same as you, okay? I'm not trying to separate myself. But if you just, every time you see green, you're happy. Every time you see red, you're just upset, you're giving up, you're selling your coins that are performing very bad, especially the lower cap coins. But I can promise you guys, if you get rid of your lower cap coins, that they are already in a lot of exchanges, high volume, over $1 million volume, you will regret it, guys, because the coins that you are seeing in here, a lot of them, most of them were not around when I just joined Bitcoin and crypto markets in two cycles ago. Okay, I'm trying to help you guys in here, so make sure you guys subscribe right now, hit the notification button, and join the free Telegram group. I update you guys more in there when I'm not posting anything in here. I need you guys to like the video. If I'm not getting enough likes and views, I post less. Okay, so I really need you guys to like the video so it pushes to more people, because these are facts, these are information I'm trying to give you. Let's jump into S&P 500, guys. S&P 500, I am kind of seeing a similar look, but I'm not trying to scare you, okay? Because when you see a higher high, okay, higher high, but the next higher high is a lot smaller, okay, there's a good chance that we can go down, which we did in here, right? But in here, every time the higher highs were stronger. This can look like this though, okay? But we need to see if we are having another red candle next week. These are weekly candles. But so far, you guys are seeing that this weekly candle is looking bearish. But this can only be another pullback. If you want to just switch to daily, okay, there are some gaps that need to be filled, but I'm not saying they have to fill it right away. But these are the gaps that you guys can see that we can still go back down, get that liquidity, and start going higher. We have a lot of gaps that they have never been filled yet, okay? I'm not saying that they will never be filled. In the next bear market, I would say that we're going to see that happening, okay? Because in every cycle, almost in the last cycle, if you guys see, in 2021 December-ish, we topped, and it started the bear market for stock market as well. Same for crypto, right? So I am expecting to still go higher up to at least mid 2025 or end of 2025, around August, September, November, anywhere around this area. So I'm just going to put a line in here to give you guys what I'm expecting, okay? At least around this area, I would say that even if we don't just keep going higher, in like a lot higher, we can still slowly rise up to maybe $6,500, okay, for S&P 500. That would be bullish, of course, for Bitcoin, because Bitcoin has a correlation. You know, a lot of people do not believe that, but yes, we do. We still do, okay? That's what they want to do, because they want to regulate everything and they have it under their control, okay? I showed you guys in the last video, I said that this is the best support area, because even in the last bull market, we had this small shadow or wick down to this level, but we did not touch any of these closed candles. If you guys know technical analysis, this is a better support if we had to touch it, okay? So we might not get it back to that level. But now that we are back to that level, we have already touched this level, and this is the monthly chart. So next month, I'm gonna hope that we're going to see a green candle, or at least just a consolidated candle. So we're just going to probably go sideways. Okay, this is the dominance, Ethereum dominance. So we need to see, same as the previous bull market that we saw, Ethereum kept going higher and we saw a lot of altcoins followed. We want to see the same thing happening in this bull market. At Total 3, if you guys remember, a lot of people were laughing at me, but I showed you guys this level was the resistance, because we had this wick, and this wick. All the way, you guys see how exactly we got that rejection. And I still leave this from several months ago, okay? These are weekly candles. So you can see that this has been here for 3 months at least, okay? And you guys see that this is the level of support. First level of support is the previous high of the wave that we had. Okay, we got a really good support and it started going higher. I would expect, guys, to still consolidate, maybe go a little bit lower and start going higher. The next level of support is top of this wick, this here, and this here. And if you guys just have a consideration around why we started dropping very heavily, was exactly from this level, right? So when we touch it from the top, from the highest level, no matter if we had this wick, this got that liquidity still, but we can still have our close candles around here and start going higher for our wave 3, okay? So I'm still looking at wave 5 to be completed. So I'm still expecting our wave 5 to be complete. This is 3, 4, and 5, okay? I would say that at least we will go up to $1.5 trillion just for altcoins, other than Ethereum and BTC. But this is not a huge ask, okay? This is not a huge expectation, big expectation, because look at the previous bull market, guys. We had around 50 billion at the lowest point, even lowest at the pandemic drop for the altcoins. We were around $32 billion, $30 billion, and we rised how much? If you want to look at this, you guys can see it 3,800%, 30x, guys, 30x. We added more than $1 billion to the market cap of crypto, $1.1 trillion. That's a huge, that's big. And that would be ridiculous if we do not have the same thing in here, okay? Just consider, guys, these are part of the manipulation. I'm trying to help you. None of these are financial advice. Do whatever you want, but sell your cheapest coins to whales, and which they are buying right now. But again, I am showing you guys the same path that I have showed you for several months, guys. I said that is still, I am saying resistances around this area. I am not expecting the same level to be touched as this previous bull market. One of the reasons is every cycle we are having lower lows, that's lower highs, I'm sorry. And the second reason is because of these closed monthly candles, okay? These closed monthly candles from previous bull market, I am keep repeating these to let you guys know that you guys are being too scared to stop being emotional, okay? Because I know a lot of you guys are having hundreds of thousands of dollars into crypto market and they are cut in half, even less. But I'm trying to let you guys know that we are so close. Even look at the previous bull market around February, March, we started just dropping heavily. Yes, around February, it's not going to be exactly the same thing. If we want to compare what happened in here, 2017, we started dropping from March, right? So March of 2021, March of 2017, March of 2025, guys. I am seeing a lot of people regretting not buying altcoins right now. Okay, I showed you guys in the Telegram group, free public Telegram group. I said that around 63%. I have told my members to start buying. Okay, this is the list I have for them. A new list. I have showed them a lot of other coins. These are a lot of good coins that we are buying. A lot of them are going to do up to even 500x. We do not know, but the least expectation is the 10x that I'm looking at. Okay, the least expectation in average. Okay, but I want you guys to look at all of these signs that I'm showing you. BTC dominance, the wave that is missing for total 3, that we need to see 5 waves up for Elliott wave theory. If you just want to look at what happened in the previous bull market here, okay, we had this wave 1, right, and then 57% crash for Bitcoin that happened, or pullback, whatever you want to call it. This is 3, 4, and then 5 was the highest point, right? The same thing I am expecting at least to come up here. But I'm expecting higher because I just showed you how many X we got in here. Yes, the market was smaller. Okay, the market cap was smaller, so we could have pumped it more. But yes, so we have more people right now. More people interested in Bitcoin and crypto. Okay, so 1.5 trillion for just altcoins is what I'm looking at for this cycle. Okay, write these down. Okay, share this video with your friends, guys. But this is the same thing I'm trying to show you. BTC dominance around 60%. And I want you guys to just look at how BTC dominance has started dropping in the last bull market. You guys see this small hot like bounce and then dropped, okay? You guys see that we started dropping in the same level. We could not rise any higher. Although we tried it twice to hit that level, it still went lower. Same thing in here, guys. You guys see that this small bounce and then dropped. We got rejected once. This is the second time around the same level, which I'm showing you again in the monthly candles. Is the best level to buy your altcoins, because if the BTC dominance tops, that means that there is no way that altcoins are not bottoming. Yes, we're gonna have a lot of failed projects still dropping more because people are losing interest in them. but I'm just telling you that around 63% is the lowest point for altcoins that you can accumulate. Okay, this is what I'm telling you. 8 years of experience. Okay, I have failed a lot. I have lost a lot of money. I'm here to help you. Okay, I don't want you guys to do the same thing. So again, the lowest point I'm looking at least is it will be around 50, low 50s for percentage of dominance, Bitcoin dominance. And Ethereum is going to start going higher, and the dominance is going to go higher to around 20s. Okay, low 20s at least. We are at 10 right now. So we're going to probably see double for Ethereum dominance. So let's look at weekly candle. Again, I have showed you guys this level of support, how every time in monthly candle we are getting support, right? And if you want to look at the weekly candle and daily candle, as I promised, you guys can see the same line in weekly candles still showing around a lot of support. That's why in the free Telegram group, I showed you guys that around low 90s or 89K will be the best support still, as long as we're not closing any weekly candle below that line, okay? So this is a beautiful chart that you can look at. And this is, as I said, this level has a lot of similarities with this level. So I'm expecting in 1 or 2 weeks we start going higher. That would support my idea because it is 22nd of February right now, and we have one more week, a little bit more than one more week to close this weekly candle. And for March, that will be a bullish month that I'm thinking. Okay, so and for daily, if I want to go a little bit of micro technical analysis for you guys. Yes, the recent drop for Bitcoin for yesterday was bearish, but if we do not close another red candle today, and this is green, it's going to be the same idea I showed you guys in BTC dominance that I already got rid of the page. But if we get that, it's still green, that shows that we're going to still go higher. That's part of the manipulation. But again, I'm showing you guys, same as every time I'm showing you guys, this level around 94, 95K is the best support so far. And you guys see how many daily candles are closing above this level of support, right? So I'm trying to help you again. Please hit the like button, support the channel, comment down below, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.